Do you know the name of this bird?
Swallow, hummingbird, kingfisher. Guess the name of the bird. Goldfinch, canary, warbler. Guess the name of the bird. Egret, crane, heron.
What is the name of this bird?
Crane, stork, heron.
Do you know the name of this bird?
Crow, raven, blackbird. Guess the name of the bird. Quail, dove, pigeon.